In our quest for a reliable portable power station, we discovered the Lumopal 850-watt power station. And surprisingly, we found it quite promising after using it for a considerable amount of time. It comes with a high-strength unibody aluminum alloy housing, a noiseless no-fan system, and a range of features that felt practical to us. Keep watching as we share our hands-on experience, highlighting how we harnessed its features to our advantage. It came in a simple box, well protected, and with all the essential cables and manuals we usually get to see. Nothing fancy here. But what surprised us is its raw performance out of the box. If you've been following us for a while, you know that we often review power stations like this, and sometimes even more powerful ones. But we don't usually get the exact power they advertise. At this point, it has become the norm. But we found Lumopal performing close to their claims without any overheating issues or unexpected shutoffs. And in our opinion, these are some of the crucial parts you need to think about before making a decision. First thing we gotta appreciate is the Lumopal 850-watt power station's high-strength unibody aluminum alloy housing. Pretty easily handles rough usage, small accidental drops, and usual wear and tear. It can bear weights up to 176 pounds. However, we didn't try putting much pressure on it. But by looking at its construction, we weren't really worried about its durability. Moreover, the IP63 dustproof and water resistance capabilities, along with the 1.5 meter drop protection, which was proven right when we accidentally dropped it during our usage period. And to be honest, it made us quite confident, knowing our power source was protected against the elements and rough usage. Another noticeable side we discovered was the absence of noise. As this one comes with a no-fan design, we could easily enjoy the serenity of nature without any kind of buzzing sound in the background. In fact, the lack of noise was noticeable during a home blackout as the power station worked silently and our overall experience was better. With an 850-watt output power, 1,000-watt peak, and a high-capacity 600-watt-hour battery pack, the Lumopal power station proved to be a continuous energy source for all of our devices. But as we've told you before, it actually held up its performance according to its specifications. To further assess its capabilities, we conducted a side-by-side test, putting it against our trusted EcoFlow River. Running both power stations at full load, we closely monitored their performance. Surprisingly, while the EcoFlow River experienced overheating and continuous shutdown after a period, the Lumopal power station went on for a significantly longer duration before showing any signs of overheating. Additionally, we noted that even when the Lumopal power station did heat up after the prolonged operation, the surface temperature remained at a manageable level. These findings highlighted the Lumopal power station's ability to handle demanding loads, its superior heat dissipation capabilities, and its overall durability. Then, as we use the indication cookers from the AC port, it's worth noting that both of its AC ports are pure sine wave outlets, so we could power our appliances and electronics safely and reliably. The inclusion of 2 DC ports, 1 PD 100-watt USB-C port, 3 USB-A ports, and 1 car socket helped us to charge multiple devices simultaneously. From charging our smartphones to running our camping gear, the Lumopal power station handled it all, simplifying our power management on the go. During our expedition, we often found ourselves in need of a quick recharge. Thankfully, the Lumopal power station's recharge capabilities met our demanding requirements. Using the 140-watt charger and the 100-watt PD USB-C input port, we could recharge the power station at 80% capacity within just 2 hours. This feature felt convenient, as we spent less time waiting and more time exploring. Additionally, the ability to charge the battery via a solar panel, which is, by the way, up to 150 watt, was very convenient too. But that's not all. We've also been on those road trips, right? and our experience with its 12.6 volt car socket was also good. If we talk about its long-term maintenance, Lumopal Power Station's battery management system was nice. If we circle back to our earlier test where we compared it with the EcoFlow River, the effectiveness of the Lumopal's battery management system, or BMS, becomes even more apparent. Its comprehensive protection against short circuits, overcurrent, overvoltage, overload, overheating, and low voltage situations gave us peace of mind, knowing that our devices and the power station itself were safe. They say that it can operate in a wide range of temperature, from 5 to 131 degrees Fahrenheit, which seems quite versatile and adaptable in our book. Now, this one did make us pause for a moment when we first saw it use lithium-ion battery cells. In fact, we thought it would overheat like any other lithium-ion cells. After all, every other brand these days seems to be leaning toward lithium iron phosphate batteries. Lumopal claims they use Class A lithium-ion cells, which we found are the very same cells used by none other than Tesla. Now, you already saw when we tested it alongside another one. The battery didn't overheat and went on for a way longer period on full load. So after putting the Lumopal power station through its places, we can say that it held up pretty nicely, especially for an 850 watt power station. We've been using it for the last few months, and according to our experience, it was fast, reliable, and convenient to use. We particularly like the noiseless operation, and appreciate how it performs this close to its specifications. What do you think? Let us know your opinion in the comments section below. And to know more about outdoor products, reviews, and buying guides, you can visit our website, mailoutdoorzone.com.
Thanks for watching. We always crave to learn more. If you think we've missed a product or there's a product we should add, we'd love to hear your opinion.